This jump demonstration shows how to visualize and quantify correlations among continuous variables. We are using the body measurements data from the sample data library. We'll start by assessing a single correlation between forearm and bicep measurements. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Fit Y by X. We'll place one variable into the Y response role and the other into the X factor role. When we click OK, we're presented with a scatter plot of the data, which here already seems to show a relatively strong positive correlation. We'll calculate Pearson's correlation coefficient by going to the red triangle and selecting Summary Statistics. We can see that the correlation is approximately 0.81, with a confidence interval from approximately 0.6 to approximately 0.92. To help visualize this correlation, we'll go to the red triangle and select the 95% density ellipse. This is an example of assessing a single correlation, but sometimes we want to assess many pairwise correlations at once. Let's assess all possible pairwise correlations between the variables in our dataset. To do this, we'll go to Analyze, Multivariate Methods, and choose Multivariate. We'll place all of our columns into the Y columns role and click OK. We're presented with a correlation matrix showing the Pearson correlation coefficient for every pair of variables. Note that the diagonal reads 1 for all correlations because each variable is perfectly correlated with itself. Below that, we have a scatterplot matrix to assess each correlation visually. The red triangle next to the scatterplot matrix contains many helpful options. For example, we can again add density ellipses to help us visualize the correlations. Under the top red triangle, we can find options for many further multivariate analyses and data visualizations.